The Edyza Gateway is designed for simple and effective data management for all Edyza products. Inside your package, you will find the Edyza Gateway, 2 Wi-Fi antenna, USB dongle, power supply, VGA adapter, an extra power connector, and all the necessary hardware for your gateway installation. To start your assembly process, screw in both the Wi-Fi antenna. Next, insert the power cable into the gateway and plug it into an outlet. Next, insert the USB dongle. If possible, use an Ethernet cable for the most reliable connection. Ensure to insert the cable before powering on the Edyza Gateway. It is important that the Edyza Gateway is never in direct contact with any liquid. If there is no suitable place to mount the gateway within the workspace, the gateway can instead be installed on the outside of the room. However, the USB dongle must be within 10 meters of the nearest sensor. Now you are ready to mount the gateway with the included screws. Make sure to never unplug your gateway. Once you have completed the installation process, please contact us to finalize your account setup at 855-60-EDYZA or at support@edyza.com.